Let's look few examples of word problems on quadratic equation. First one, Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making the pots. He makes certain pots on daily basis. So, let he be making y number of pots daily. Production cost of each pot. Let x be each pot. So, production cost of each pot, that is x, is rupees 40 more than 10 times total number of pots. So, total number of pots are y. Let it be equation 1. So, cost of one pot is x. Now, cost of y pots will be x into y, because this is the cost of one pot. So, if production cost of all pots per day, so total cost will be x multiplied by y, which is equal to 600. So, let's multiply this equation. It will equation 1 by y, it will become xy, y multiplied by 10y plus 40. So, value of xy we have is 600, which is equal to 10y square plus 40y. So, it becomes 10y square plus 40y minus 600 equal to 0. So, when we solve this, so it becomes 10 in common. So, y square plus 4y minus 60 equal to 0. Now, we'll find two numbers whose multiplication is minus 60 and addition is plus 4. So, we have those numbers as 10 and 6. Bigger number has positive sign. So, the factors become y square plus 10y minus 6y minus 60 equal to 0. After solving this, we get the value of y as minus 10 or y equal to 6. Now, pots cannot be negative. It will always be positive. So, value of y is 6. And what is y? Y is the number of pots that he makes daily. So, the question says, find production cost of one pot and the number of pot he makes per day. So, number of pot he makes per day is 6, and the cost of one pot, which is x, equal to 10y plus 40. 10 into 6 plus 40 gives 100.